scientific and mathematical way, basically. So, Amit, coming to you, right? So, at network, the volume and velocity at which data is flowing would be quite significantly already increasing, and it will increase quite significantly in coming 4 or 5 years of time, basically. And network has a role to play or lend capability to security, basically. So, how do you see uh, uh, from the network and security coming together, and they will provide a lot of those possibilities in the coming future?
Yeah, I think that's most of the things. I think we today transport almost 80% of the internet
Yeah,
traffic, if you
yeah,
look at that, right? So I think it's been in our DNA always to look at security on top of network. That was always there. But then uh, the moment it scales beyond a certain point, right, then comes the question is that how do you operate it, right? It's not a human task to manage this kind of data across billions of points.
yeah,
Uh, we have a threat intel called Talos that we operate some about 500, 600 researchers who typically provide you the global threat intel, right? And it's about billions of gigabytes of data that we actually process in a day, right? But that needs a lot of AI capabilities plus human intelligence on top of it. Beyond that, what we are doing today is that anyways, we are spending heavily on securing each and every points in the network, right? Whether, I mean, we used to known as a network company for 30 years back, right? And that's not the case anymore, right?
yeah,
It's been too diversified. And I think if you look at the industry TAM, everybody's under security. Cyber security has got the largest industry TAM today across the globe.
yeah,
And everybody's under those dollars. So we are investing heavily on that. I think if you have heard about our largest acquisition recently was Splunk,
yeah,
right? So it's yet to be, I mean, it's just an intent to acquire, but I mean, that's going to add a lot of value in terms of our offering where we talk about not only security, but also on a day-to-day observability of how the entire system is running. But I think that will also generate a lot of different types of skill sets that will require for a person who has been running a network for 10 years to run a environment which will really look more towards a NetSecOps
yeah,
rather than just NetOps. Right?
yeah,
I
yeah.
think that's where we are heading towards.
Yeah. So security is more like a data science operation nowadays, money. So and then